The Singularity, the first interchain decentralized organization. The Singularity is an interchain governing body over interchain standards. The Singularity is built from the building blocks that you have already seen in previous videos. Interchain means that voting on one chain can have results on one or more chains by means of the Golden Gate interchain bridge. You can reach one chain from another. With D-type DB, governance types and concepts are standardized across chains, and everybody uses the same definitions when they analyze a proposal or a vote. Governance and governance tools become generalizable. Continuous voting tech from the Laurel project brings reversibility, and tech like Pipeline and Agora Elect bring flexibility in creating governance protocols. Flexibility, generality, reversibility, and reach. The Singularity DAO is governance for standardizations of interchain transactions and contracts on EVM, COSM-WASM, Cosmos interchain interdependent governance, D-type DB types, and more. The Singularity DAO also opens up possibilities for core development governance to move to an interchain decentralized process. It opens core development governance to proven blockchain developers. But most importantly, the Singularity SDK will give users of blockchains and applications an enforcement mechanism for basic human rights in this digital operating system that we are building. Users will have the collective power to vote for voicing their choices. And to give you an example from history, imagine users with a proof of purchase of an operating system deciding which internet browser is prepackaged with the operating system, if any. The Singularity SDK manages these chains and application settings that are voted on in the interchain governance process. These settings are compatible with YAML and JSON formats, so the Singularity SDK includes the YAML files into your GitHub repo or into your running application on-chain, and it uses these settings for further on-chain governance. These YAML settings have a bytecode representation on-chain that can be understood by execution engines like the EVM, and I will play a short part of a previous demo. Issue is a pure function to encode this decentralized object as YAML text. Is parse this ASCII code into a string. And this is what we are seeing right here. If you want to know more, the video is linked in the description. Interchain governance. You can create interchain validator groups that act like political parties and can have a different composition than on each individual chains. You can have interchain governance contracts. And execution engines like EVM and COSM-WASM provide flexibility, and Cosmos governance modules are used for execution of decisions. 2 chains already joined the Singularity DAO, Mythos and Logos. The first pioneer chains that will join will be the first to demonstrate usable prototypes of this DAO. So claim your seat at the Singularity DAO Roundtable. Only 16 chains, 8 EVM-based and other 8 non-EVM, will be covered by the implementation of version 1. The chains that do not apply as core development teams will not be included by default. A link to this application form is provided in the video description. This is the cosmic singularity.